Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Isaiah, chapter 43, verses 18 and 19. These verses were in our sermon today at church, and the pastor was talking about not letting your past define your future. And in Christ, we are a new person, and He will forget the things that we've done in the past, forgive us, and help us to grow with, based on what our past is. He will help us to grow out of what we are letting us stand in the way of growing. So this verse says, "Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland." And so he had made reference to what is going on right now. We have lots of butterflies that are migrating from Mexico up to the northern part of they're supposedly going up to the Pacific Northwest, but there are tons of butterflies just everywhere. You see them when you're driving, just thousands of them, and they're evidently called a painted lady butterfly. But anyways, I found this stencil sheet at the Dollar Tree of the butterflies, and so I was wanting to go in and use my watercolor and do some stenciling of these butterflies, and then just go in and pull part of the verse out over here. So I've got plenty of room here. And so let's see how this goes, and we'll get it cleared off and get started. So here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out really pretty, and I love how the butterflies turned out. At first I was just going to just stencil them and leave them like that, but they didn't pop up the page as much, so I went with my black pen and outlined them all and gave them a little dimension. And then I added a little bit of spray of watercolor. So if you like this entry, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.